Tieroba salute I carry give you this morning. If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me wine on top of the chairman station Wazobia TV. I welcome you to another interesting episode of your Ogbonge program where they come out smoke as e dey hot. Today on top of the program, we dey talk about what happened for the Salvation Rally for faraway Abuja. When the governor of Rivers State, Amaechi, carry finger, put for ground, touch mouth, raise them up. Say if they do any wuru-wuru for the 2015 elections, say in your own party don't decide, say they go form their own government. Many people don't reason this matter talk, say now true this man they talk. Say of say time don't reach for us to they take certain actions. But some other people talk say person when they high government position, can they talk this kind of thing? Say na invitation to waiting to anarchy. Today on top of your Ogbonge program as e dey hot. What would they chook mouth on top now? Whether the governor correct for this thing when he don't talk based on the political atmosphere of Obodo Naija. My name na Ezogu Chukwuoje. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when sabi well as it take concern this matter.
Yes, our viewers, now the same Tieroba salute I take welcome now for today's edition of Yanyo as it hot, rather as it hot. And my name never still change. My name now Nkubi.
I use Tieroba salute. Why you use Tieroba salute? Why you use your own salute?
See, Tieroba no be Tieroba.
Why you go use my own Tieroba?
Why I no go use am?
Okay, make we no talk too much. Our people went there for house. Una know say una fit join us on top of social media for Facebook, for Twitter, and even to send us email on top of our website. All the things we una talk on top of this matter, we go carry them for where we call the fireback segment to chook mouth on top. Nkubi, you don't hear what we get to discuss. How you take reason this matter?
Well, Chukudi, if I go first, we go make we first weigh this matter. If waiting this person talk, if now waiting in
this person, call the person name, no dey fear.
Amaechi. If now waiting in mean, whether it mean make you understand, talk and make you also ask yourself, what will be the things will lead to him making this kind of statement?
Which question you dey ask? You say whether he mean am. Person talk something, they say whether he mean am.
Don't give me floor to talk.
No, you
make I talk.
They complete what you dey talk.
See, because my papa they tell me one proverb. He say, look, if they give you yam chop, make you chop and chew and well. Make no chop and as if bone they inside.
If the yam hot, unko.
Forget.
If na give you yam, unko.
Normal yam.
If na yam we get biscuit bone inside, unko.
Chew yam the way it's supposed to chop chew and no chew as if bone they inside.
If you get bone inside, unko.
Now from that angle, we need to look this matter.
Not they look at from any angle.
Make we look at from that angle. Wait till prompt him to talk. Wait till he talk.
Not they ask me say wait till prompt.
Why no go ask you?
Now he talk. Why he go talk that kind of thing? My first question I say, why person when they for government, when they that kind of high position, go open his mouth, make this kind of statement? You see, I go speak English.
No,
it is an invitation to anarchy.
Anarchy.
Anarchy. How you go come and talk say if they rig election, they yell, you they make
rig.
Calm down.
Rig. The word rig. Statam rig.
Allow me talk. You won't spell rig now. You won't make mistake. Allow me talk.
Talk.
How you go come out? Talk say if they rig, if they rig election, probability. If they rig election, say you and your party don't decide, say una no go green.
You know, you see, he not talk say decide. Make you hear am well. He not talk say decide. He say if they rig election, say this kind of thing will happen. You when they talk, make I even ask you, why it's such, see, you get the way you go vex reach.
You won't ask me something, you don't
you get the way you go vex reach. You go talk waiting, wait no say no day your mind.
Thank you very much.
Wait,
and you be
because
high,
in the first place,
you be high person for government. You dey vex, you dey talk waiting no day your mind.
What lead to Mr. Amaechi making that kind of statement? Because why then go deny legislators? Why they go deny speaker? Why they go deny members of the House of Rep?
Now you go make you talk say you go form parallel government.
To do it.
Now you go make you talk say you go form parallel government. What if you make you talk? Now you go make you talk say you go form parallel government.
Make I talk.
Because your wife no put salt inside soup.
Chukudi put your mouth.
Now
me they talk.
Now they tell me say you dey talk. What you dey talk?
Why police go stop a whole speaker? Why this kind of don't happen? Police go stop speaker from entering the house to go address Patawe concern me and you.
Nigerians.
What is Nigeria?
See confusion.
Where is it done?
See confusion.
Where is it done?
We bring topic come, say somebody talk, say they go for parallel government. Another person call they talk wetin don happen for before.
Wetin lead to am? Why it talk say happen?
Make we check the statement when Governor Rotimi Amaechi make. We go check am here.
Check
am. Now why they give us time?
Check am.
We go check am. Now he talk am for English, but I go put am for pidgin. He say wetin be the reason when people go courts, when the federal government no they obey the law.
Beautiful.
Allow me to finish. He talk say that now why the APC talk say they no go court again. Say if they rig them out, they go rig themselves in. He come talk say what did this one mean? Be say they go form their own government. Say they don't meet on top of that matter, and now waiting they don't agree with that. Say they go install, they go form their own government. Now waiting you go to say, why Amaechi
they go form their
own
party? See,
why?
He mentioned the word rig.
He mentioned.
Wait, rig. If they rig election, because over time, then they rig election. When me and you know. When me and you know. Then they rig election. No, they tell say, look, no, they tell me that thing. When they rig election. So if federal government, if the ruling party go look themselves and say, look, this election we feel rig am. What do you expect the opposition to do?
You see,
then they try fight for their right. That is why they try fight for their vote. Now their vote they fight for. Don't they tell me that one?
You get the way when this matter go do me rich. I go stop to the speak English. I go speak Latin.
Talk.
You see, this statement where you want make now a fallacious statement.
No, they use that time fallacious for me. No, they use that time fallacious. I don't like that word. No, they use fallacious for me.
Make I can't even shock yourself. I never even call the type of fallacy where you don't make. The fallacy where you don't make now the one that they call seculus improbando.
You go state and for dictionary because
seculus
no time waiting go confuse our viewers. Start them waiting they go understand. So no go they use time. They change their mind. I beg you.
You don't put yourself for trouble
because I put my face trouble.
I go show them say I sabi book. Hey. Seculus improbando. Now when we say you they discuss something outside waiting the written be. Now you come here they tell us say they go rig election. Let me give you 3 instances. I go speak English.
Okay.
The Anambra elections. Allow me finish before you talk.
Beautiful.
Allow me finish. No, they tell me say beautiful.
The Anambra
state elections. The Ekiti state elections.
Yes.
And the Osun state elections.
Yes.
Now, in Anambra state.
There was rigging.
Wait, no,
there was rigging.
Wait to be rigging.
People will come and claim, say, look, their picture they missing.
Meanwhile, all progressive
people will come and talk, say, look, their names they missing.
Now, Abga
people will come and political parties come and talk, say, their logo, their party logo no there.
How can you say there was rigging when the opposition win the election? How can win the election? Ekiti state PDP win the election. Osun state PDP win the election.
Forget this.
How can we have 3 elections in just 1 year?
Ekiti state election, what do you want to talk about that one?
Allow me talk now. Anambra elections. Will Obiano na winner? Abga. Ekiti elections. Ayofayoshe na winner. PDP. Osun state elections. Rauf Aregbesola na winner. APC. Now, if we get elections when we say opposition they win for free and fair elections, how you go come here and call the tell me say they go rig election?
I want to make you understand something.
Why?
See, what you wrote to me, Amaechi they try talk. Say,
you know what? Just go wait till they talk now. We go rush enter break because it be like say the studio don't they hot for you. If you check Nkubi, the way when they raise in 2 hands, they need support. Make we rush enter market. When we come back, we will continue to discuss this matter as it hot.